Hi, everybody. My name is Ahmad, and like I said once again, here I am, the first tutorial for Special Com 24/6. I have nothing very special to record. I have cold and nothing exciting, and just want to make sure everything is okay. I think I'll just have to um, get this rolling quickly and see the demo and oh, so very interesting. Let me clear this, and this is it, and let me get to work now. I think this is now node server. Right, it's running, and yep, like you see, there's of course when I record it already, my video will be available here, I'm sure, and I'll be removing this. So this is my name and all of that. And thank you. Let me get back there, and everything else is okay. I'm working on my stuff. The server. You have the instructions here. I just close this, and yep. Thank you to the amazing TA that is going to have a look at this. Hopefully, we'll have a lot more interactions as the course progress. Thank you once again. My name is Ahmad, and have a wonderful week.